All right, well, here's my 2013 Chevy Cruze. Well, not my Cruze, my son's Cruze. And just got a few hours off here, and it's just time to do a little quick and dirty on the rockers here. They're looking like crap. Last time I did a little bit of work on this car, I was looking at the rockers, and obviously these had been done in the past because they're flaking and they're disgusting. So again, quick and dirty. Gonna give this a scuff and spray. Seems pretty good on this side. On the other side, we have we got a rot hole that I actually came back and I filled this about a month ago with some spray foam. Yeah, like I said, quick and dirty. Don't take my head off for this one. This is not the proper way to fix a rocker. This is just getting this patched up for the car's upcoming inspection, which is in August of this year. August of 2024. So we got to get this car through an inspection, quick and dirty. Again, this is an 11-year-old Chevy Cruze with 200,000 K. Car's got zero value. The value is in every time you sit your butt in the seat and it gets you back and forth to work. That's the value of this car. And you cannot pass an inspection if there's holes in the rocker. So I'm gonna get the orbital sander, clean this up. You can see the foil tape. I'd made a little dam with the foil tape, and that's where the spray foam was injected. Let's start stripping this down. Alrighty, it's the next day. I was just getting started yesterday when it started to rain, so today it's not beautiful, but they're calling for sun this afternoon. So let's start with the better of the two sides. I've got it all wiped down. Let's give it a sand and throw some rocker guard on there. Do a little mask job. So here's a few minutes of sanding. It's not horrible. I got one bad little spot right there, a little low spot and a little bit of a divot. I'm gonna mix up a little bit of Bondo and fill that. I'm gonna re-sand, wipe, and get this area taped up. Alrighty, well, that's as much body work as I'm gonna do. I got the area taped off here very crudely because there's a rubber strip that goes there that I just pulled off. So I'm just gonna whack the rocker guard to this. Rocker guard is a kind of a flexible coating that's a little bit stipply. It hides a multitude of sins, so for this old banger, I think that'll be just right. Kind of goes on like this, a little on the stipply side. Alright, just gotta make sure I don't make a mess. Let's throw a couple coats on and see what it looks like. So there's the first application there. Well, I shouldn't say first. It's going to be the only application, except for maybe a couple touch-ups. Take a look again once this is all done. Once I clean the door properly, it's going to look a little bit neater. Yeah. Like I said, for a car like this, it'll do. Let's do the other side now. Okay, let's do the driver's side. It's a little bit worse. That's got the spray foam treatment, so I gotta try to grind through that and get some mud on there. Okay, I got my rocker sanded. Little hole here. I got my foam all carved up at the front, and like I said, I put that foam in a couple months ago, I think. It's been a while, but anyway, I got it all shaved down, and that's going to be a nice backer for the Bondo. Again, not the proper way to do it, but that's how I'm doing it for this fabulous car. All right, let's mix up some mud and fill these holes. Okay, That's as good as I'm gonna make it. Let's get the black stipply stuff on there. Okay, well, I am done. That's as good as this is gonna get. The rockers look better. They're uniform, they're black, no more holes. Again, upcoming inspection. That's a fail for the inspection, so that's kind of an easy one. Got both sides done, and it definitely dresses it up a little bit. I'm good with this. For an old banger, I think this is fine, and good for another year or two. So in case I didn't mention it or show it, the product I use is called Rocker Guard, and it's kind of a rubberized undercoating, and it's pretty good stuff. It's pretty tough, and it's actually paintable. So if you wanted to, you could get some color match paint and come back over the stipply section and make that all blend in. For this car, I'm not going to bother. I'm going to leave it black. Kind of hard to see with the yellow reflection of the Mercury here, but there it is there. Could be painted. I'm going to leave it. Okay, thanks for watching. That's all for now.